Okay, I want to water this video, share this video. Shimmering Temple, Jpac, and Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, who are the founders of the modern day Oke-Ite that almost finished our youth. May our youth hadu lazy. May I feel na money nenu ukwu isi we nada by me ekwado one nonsense na one pot. At first, when Shimmering Temple brought the work of native doctors na Facebook, he did it claiming that nande pastor na apụta na Facebook, but nande mmadu na-eme ifele na ọwụrụ na mmadu kwuo na ọ na-alụ dibia or na mmadu na-eje na nke nwa dibia, that no offer need for that. He brought the work of the native doctors. One of the first native doctor gbalo n'ihu akwụkwọ na-arụ ọrụ ya n'ihu akwụkwọ. We said, okay, let us see. After all, during the time of Shimmering Temple, his mode of operation was somehow different from what we are seeing now. Now, Akwa came up. Akwa enweghị ka ndị mmadụ aka esi wee mmalụ onye akwawo, if not by the help and collaboration of Jpac. It was Jpac who used his platform to do exactly what Okongu Dibia and the Ogajiki are doing today. He gave Akwa the coverage and the reach Akwa needed to get to people. Akwa we modernize this Oke-Ite. We invent this Oke-Ite, Igbo, Arrow, and a lot of things. We package ye, we put any with the help of Jpac in your platform. Yeah, they were able to sell that jargon to the people, and today the rest is history. Every other thing content will know kita ana what we wrote that Akwa lead in those when they follow in collaboration with Jpac, because no nya wonye meluke eva potani huawo. It's so sad that there was a time Olulu Onyaka na Okongu Dibia mgba claiming that no Okongu Dibia na-eje agbande dibia n'ihu akwụkwọ na eji 2x2 wee kuwe, but omono nya wonye standere one of the biggest alo melundi Igbo, because now I still call Akwa Okuko today Bishop Ndomenana. That is what I still call him today. Bishop not Bishop Ndomenana, but Bishop Ndewadibia. Nyali the others they follow. Every single format on a use today and a use today in the present day Oke-Ite and they work on an Igbo. When they work attack and does on a follow. Oh me. Even during the time of acquire physical properties, or if me ogomoto ego all hotel halo all uno gosi. So now they are role model Danya, and the only nyelaka we plant that tree so well today with Jpac. I wonder why he is still silent with what is happening in Igbo. Is he now ashamed that Nambora Hokolo bear another fruit? Does it mean that this fruit Mpola bear I believe have plan or gay beer? But I want to tell you people that Shimmering Temple, Akwa Okuko, and the Jpac know how would the history, the foundation, and the Bidolu, this present day alo the one did many today. Igbo. Tata. When they prioritize money, contrary to if you were the Dibia and Igbo before, they prioritize money, they go where we say the order of the day. In order to make that money, they start devising means and they babatin safa just to make sure they whoop that ego from pocket people. That was even how you heard the story of Echakam War. Yes, you heard the story of Echakam War, Ababa. All those things we programmed, designed just to get money out from people's pockets. So I just want you to know that in Ifa de Menankete, these are the people who introduced this biggest scam of all time, Igbo. Yeah? Think about it. Yeah? Think about it. You cannot talk about a problem without making reference to the foundation. This is how we got to where we are today. Prior to this, we all know what the according to the easiest thing. 200 naira, 500 naira, 1,000 and K drop these days. They packaged it because they have to pay for their media they have to pay their media crew. I don't know if they turn themselves to content creators, but what I know is that this is one of the greatest injustice Jpac imelu to Ndebai, and the only got every day up there. Or second door kajukose, ndoka jigarese. When you grew and helped to perfect the biggest scam of all time, Igbo. You ought to go all in the name of Oke-Ite and the magical pot. You ought to go. So you still deserve to give Igbo apology. It deserves to give Igbo apology. I don't know what you are thinking, but this is exactly how I see it.